Hi friends, today I'm going to read you this really awesome story called The Flea's Sneeze. It's kind of a funny one. It's by Lynn Downey and illustrated by Carla Firehammer. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Ooh, I'm noticing something already about this story. It's a rhyming story. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. I don't even see the flea in this picture. He's so little. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. I could finally see the flea in this picture. He's right on top of the mouse. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Poor little guy. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Poor flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, it scared the rat, who cried, boo-hoo! It woke the cat, who hissed, meow! It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered, moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered, hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed, cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked, woo, woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse that the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed and began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, on that old, old farm, in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse that he used for a house, the rat and the cat and the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Uh-oh, I think the flea gave the pig his little sneeze. What did you think of the story? Talk to you guys later.